sourdough. Okay, now that I have your attention, we're going to talk a little bit about this wonderful wheat variety, Yecora Rojo. James Brown here with Barton Springs Mill. We're next door with our bestest buddy, Abby Love of Abby Jane Bakery, to talk about Yecora Rojo and its uses in the bakery. This is a fantastic variety developed in a collaborative effort between Mexico and the state of California. The goal was to try to develop a wheat variety that had some modern baking characteristics, some performance characteristics that were more robust, yet has some of those flavor and aroma characteristics of a landrace grain. And I think they pretty much nailed that on the head. It's got this beautiful malty quality and a wide array of uses in the bakery. Abby, tell us a little bit about how it works for you and what you like about it.
Yeah, so Yecora is hard wheat, which kind of falls in the category of what we know as bread flour. So Yecora is definitely one of the workhorse flours here in the bakery. It's our go-to whenever we're doing sourdoughs, pizza, baguettes, anything where we want a lot of structure in our bread and a lot of chew. So sourdough for sure, we're always going straight to Yecora Rojo, and the flavor can't be beat.
I couldn't agree more. Thank you for watching this brief video about Yecora Rojo. Click the button below to get more information and visit us on bartonspringsmill.com to buy some of this fabulous Yecora Rojo flour. Thanks.